Deal or no deal? Oo, taas ng kamay. Ito lang start. Taas ng kamay, wag nakahawak. Gabi, taas ng kamay. Ha? Game na yan, wag kang hawak dito. Oh, ba't? Ha? Bakit hindi pumasok? Dala, alis muna mga kamay ha. The number 3. Oh, you choose the number 3. Sige, choose the number na. Sige, choose number 5. Wow, very good. Wow, dapat wag mo nang mapupili yung 100 ha. Sige, pili pa. Wow, medyo mataas yun. Sige pa. Go. You can win 100 tickets dyan. Yes. Okay. Dali, pakinggan niyo muna si Banker. No deal. Okay, choose 4 cases. Oh man, mataas yun. Oh, taas nun. Oh, wait. 10 tickets. Oh, konti na lang yung mataas nyo. No deal. Three cases. Oh, 12. Mataas yun. Dapat 4, 5, and 8. Choose 2 cases. Good luck. Oh, mataas yun. 20 and 100 na lang. Sige. Sige, you choose. 14. Yes, very good. Banker, yun si Banker. No deal or deal? Deal or no deal? No deal! So choose 2 cases. Yes! 4. Another one. Sana 5 mapili mo. Sige, choice. 11. Yes! Ano? Deal or no deal? 100 or 5 tickets, deal or no deal? Ano? No deal? Okay, no deal. Open your case. Sana 100.